Tim Westwood TV, and I'm here live with the GrimeBoyz, aka the Bodega Boys. It's crazy. It's crazy. Drop the bomb. Drop the bomb. It's incredible. They're about to freestyle. Are you ready for this incredible freestyle?
Off the noggin,
Drop the beat. My God.
I'm like wowzers. Have a tracks like Bowser. Drink some Ribena and I let my pound stack up and I put it in my trousers. Grime them boys. South London crew. We sound like butlers, but we still ride the 5 B's up. So
my God, drop the bomb. Tim Westwood, we're live with the Bodega Boys from Red Bull Studios. My God, drop the bomb again. Holy shit. Play the theme music, my niggas, it's lit!
Oh shit, Bodega Boys, episode 27, we in the building, the Yankee episode, Pinstripes.
27 rings.
Last team to integrate.
Think about it.
Think about that. They didn't want you black people on their field, but yet we still wear their hats. You know it's your boy, Desus Nice. Desus Nice, so nice I had to say it twice. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio. Chris Stapps, poor sling dick. Boochoo's Gully. Slow it down, might know your bitch. Eli Lipby, Young Green Room, Young Day Party, Desus H. Fuego, and 1994 in Nueva York.
What? Yo, it's your boy, Mero, a.k.a. the Human Do-Rag Flap nigga, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, you know what I'm saying, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, you know what I'm saying, a.k.a. Feel the Ass Tyson, a.k.a. Ben Smack Biombo, nigga. Ben. Don't look me in my eyes. Yes, I'm on the guest list, nigga. Check again.
Check again. And when you see him in Target with his kids, don't approach him straight on. Approach at an angle like a bear.
Like you nervous.
Oh, man. A lot of things going on this week.
A lot of shit.
A lot of shit. You're right there. That was intense. These intros.
I'm very smack.
Listen, we're both smacking. I'm on my second Bex. So... But no, like
in the 10-minute zone.
Oh, we about to fly.
Oh my God,
I'm amped. I walked over here like, yo, we're about to put it down.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I came in here like, you know what Steph Curry was shooting from when he shoots from the tunnel? Yeah. That cocky shit. Yeah. I just wanted to get in here. I just want to fucking rip this mic off and make this fucking fire art. Shout out to Bodega Hive out there. That's right. Showing love, taking photos. Shout out to Matt. The twins from Allentown, Luke and Matt. We saw you. We met them, and we were talking to Nick Cannon. Yeah. So we thought they were like gassed off seeing Nick Cannon, and they were like, "Yo, can we take a picture with y'all?" We was like, "What? Yo, the brand is strong." Shout out to all the sponsors, man.
You know what I'm saying? Nick Cannon had the $10,000 shoes. Like,
yo, $10,000, $40,000 a sock, 2 ankles. You do the math. Yo, as always, we're coming to you live from Red Bull Studios at where? 220 West 18th Street. Shout out.
Time out. Do drop, nigga. Do drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios. Yeah. Oh, as always, pass through. You know, they got Red Bulls on deck and New Arlington. Shout out to K2. Shout out to the Zika vaccine. No shout out to ISIS.
Yo, ISIS is wild.
Here's the problem with ISIS, okay?
ISIS is wild.
Yo, condolences to the Orlando shit.
Yeah, that shit was crazy.
But ISIS is mad phony because they're fake flagging because all you gotta do is do some fucked up shit and be like, yo, I'm down with ISIS. And ISIS be like, yeah, we was banging with them from day one.
All day.
You can't do that.
All day.
That's like when Nas joined Murder Inc. for 1 day.
For what they remember that? Using the video?
Using the video.
Put his hand on the Bible?
Can't do that, man. This ain't a baseball team. You can't hop on and hop off.
Come on, my nigga. It's not like that.
Putting in work.
You can't get a 10-day contract.
You know Boko Haram is shaking their head like, nah, that shit, they inflating their numbers.
They're tight.
They're cooking their traffic.
Yo. That shit is fugazi, fam.
Fugazi,
you know what I'm saying? That million hits off rip. How you got a million hits in 10 minutes? I don't buy it.
They're buying followers.
You know what I'm saying?
ISIS is buying followers.
ISIS buying followers out here.
You're not
you
low.
go to followers list, it's like Becky XXXYZ
with the wild generic photo.
Yup. Stock photos just still got the watermark on it. Y'all not even trying. You're not. Fuck out of here.
And that's the thing now. Any, you know, I was gonna say any crazy person, but I didn't because God is working on all of us, and that's an ableist term, and we don't engage in ableist or problematic talk here. That's why we have the problematic light.
That's right.
And it hasn't gone on yet.
It's like 2 minutes into the show, but
this shit will. That shit is gonna stay on. But now everyone's like, yo, we gotta ban the AR-15. I'm like,
I mean, yo, they asked the guy who created it. About it. And he was like, I did not create this weapon for civilian use. Well,
to be fair, and you know, I don't like facts.
I'm pretty sure he's never been to the Bronx.
Well, you know what? To be fair, he was misquoted. Like, the people were kind of taking it out of context because he was talking about the original one with the 3 burst shot. Not this one.
Okay.
Also, the AR-15, you know what I'm saying? It's just a hunting rifle with like grips. Okay. You know what I'm saying? It's not that crazy a gun. Yeah. There's like other wild, crazier guns out there.
I've seen, you know what's crazy about guns? Like I've seen guns and I've held mad guns. But I never really went and like researched like, what am I holding right now? You know what I'm saying? Like, where's this gun from?
Well,
Why
most people think
wood?
Yeah, most people think the AR-15 is an assault rifle, and it's not. It's a hunting rifle. You know what I'm saying? But it just happens to. You know what? The AR, they think that stands for assault rifle. It doesn't. It stands for the A stands for something completely different. But you know, you got to do your research.
You know, Victor's not here with his sexy hair because he would have looked.
He would have looked it up and told me exactly what it is.
Alliance with Russia, which is 1978 Iran-Contra scandal.
Yeah.
Like what? Nigga?
That's the problem. That's America. We love guns. Yo, even our fucking national anthem is about like guns and shit.
Bombs bursting in the air. Come on.
Like everyone else, oh Canada is like, yo, we're lovely. Blah, blah. Our shit is like, yo, shoot a nigga. Burst that cannon, nigga. We got the guns. Bow, 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 bow. It's Waka Flocka.
It's basically a Waka Flocka.
It's why Betsy Ross that was listening to trap music.
Oh my God.
So listen, this is and people are like, yo, we're better than this. Are we? I don't think we are. If you ask, once them little kids got murked at Sandy Hook, it was over.
It was over. It was over. If niggas didn't care about that, well, this is what I think.
Like, I don't even like kids. Even I looked at that and was like, yo, damn son.
Yeah. Where'd you find this? Yo, but the crazy shit is, what really needs to happen is for a crazy dude to run into, I'm sorry, bing, for a dude who is, you know, not having rational thought patterns to run into a motherfucking animal shelter and shoot mad dogs. Then white people will be fucking mad. They'll be fucking mad. They'll be like, yo, what the fuck? They'll ban every gun. Every gun. Cops will be walking around like the UK cops nigga with no guns on deck.
Oh, you know wow. GrimeBoyz, crimes.
Damn. T-biscuit in the crumpet.
Yeah. Nah, and then like people, and now people are going to go buy more AR-15s.
Oh, of course.
Because, excuse me,
they're about to be dead. They
think Obama's going to come take them. So
come on. Obama don't want your guns. Obama
about to bounce.
Yeah, he's about to cruise.
Don't care about.
He want to just cruise and do these speaking engagements.
Obama's on Expedia.com. He's looking for a nice vacation getaway. He's thinking about just roaring it with Michelle on a beach somewhere. He don't got to deal with Malia and them. He gonna have his toes out with the sandals.
You know what I'm saying?
He's not coming for your guns, crazy white lady.
Not at all.
Crazy ableist term. Mentally unbalanced white lady in Montana who has 16 AR-15s.
He don't want your guns.
He doesn't want your guns.
Crazy lady. Damn. Person who's not having rational thought patterns in Montana. Why do you even need a gun, fam? Like your neighbor is 15 miles away.
Well,
your next door neighbor is 15 miles away.
When you live up there's not really police like that. So you have to have guns, you know, just, it's like kind of like the Wild West, but not really. Right. Like people who are neighborly, libertarian and stuff. Like you rely on the land. So, you know, people police themselves. And if you can't, that's the thing, like you can't, there's no one for you to call. You can't call the cops. It might take the cops an hour to get out there. You know what I mean?
I know how that feels.
I've called 911 twice. One time they didn't show up, and the second time was because I witnessed a hit and run.
Fam.
And it was a block away from the hospital. And I don't want to say the lady's name, but she gave me a lot of sass, and I ended up hanging up. Like, fuck this, and someone else call, because I'm not dealing with this shit at 4 in the morning.
Fam, I got hit by a car and did not call 911 because I don't trust 911. There's a fire station, like, 3 blocks away from where I got hit with the car.
Right.
And I was like, yo, call that. Find the number, Google the number of that and call that. You know what I'm saying? And they would like, bing, within 5 minutes.
First of all, she was like, can I have your phone number? I'm like, okay, first of all, you don't have caller ID. Second of all, what do you need my what do you need my phone number for? Like now you're keeping a record of this? Like someone just got hit. Just send an ambulance here. And she's like, I need your phone number in case we get disconnected. Now I'm like, yo, you've just wasted mad time. This person could be bleeding out.
Yeah.
There's a hospital a block away. Like, what are you doing?
What?
And she, you know, I heard a little neck roll.
It should automatically be like, yo, you call 911 and they like, where are you? I'm here. I bet there's a hospital over here. Go.
We got you.
We got you.
Nah.
That's it. Yo,
is a person in stable?
Yeah.
In stable condition?
What do they look
What's
like?
your relation to the person?
What do they smell like?
What is this? Come on, I'm not doing that. I ain't snitching.
Ask them if they like cheese. What? Yo, this motherfucker's head is hanging off. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta come get him.
Is he on the east side or the west side?
I don't know. But his head is hanging off. Like, his head is like disconnected.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna need you to calm down. I'm gonna need you to calm down.
Have you ever seen a dude with his head hanging off?
Sir.
This shit is, there's mad blood.
There's a lot of calls going on right now.
Blood right now.
Also, my Instagram feed is popping.
Sneakers.
I do not need this right now.
If I get in my car right now,
you know what?
Bye. In my
boy, bye.
Hello? Yo, what the fuck?
Get hung up with the Beyonce shit. That boy bye shit. That gets you your feelings, man.
That's a hard curve now.
That's a hard curve.
Listen, yo, y'all used to have the fuck. I was gonna say, bitches used to have the problematic. Like,
look at you growing.
I'm growing. I'm growing like a fern. Yo, y'all used to have not that many like brutal hard curves.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That were just easy 2-word, 3-word hard curves. Now you got one.
Boy,
you know
bye. Yeah.
Now you got one.
You know,
you can stick to it.
And it hurts because it's like, boy, like
you're a little boy.
You're devaluing my masculinity.
You're a little boy.
My masculinity is so fragile.
Yeah.
Like China. Now you calling me boy?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Damn.
Speaking of masculinity so fragile, Taylor Swift dropped Calvin Harris.
Fragile masculinity.
Like a bad habit.
Damn.
She wiped her Instagram of all the photos.
And she's already
out
with
there.
a fucking nigga that sounds like a teabag.
What's his name?
Henry Fiddlesticks? I don't know.
Higginjiggin?
Huggledorf?
They got a nickname already?
Hodor Wiggendin?
Yo, Taylor Swift is out here.
Yeah,
she's brutal, man.
Yo,
she's flying.
Yo,
I don't want to say too much because our career trajectory is like we're going to be in a room with her within 2 months.
I mean, we have been already. You know
Probably.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas definitely be amazed. Like, yo, this tall bitch.
Yeah.
Yo, her back is longer than
they
the
made
CVS
sure to
receipt.
keep her away from us.
Yo, Taylor Swift's back is longer than The Godfather. But,
Wow.
Yo, shout out to you. You know what I'm
Shout out
saying?
to Taylor Swift. You think she listens to this? She got to.
She probably does.
If Tom Brady listens to this,
She gotta be.
Taylor Swift got to listen to this. So shout out to you and your new boo.
You know what I'm saying? Taylor Algernon.
What's Algernon? Flowers from Algernon. I don't know.
What is this guy? See, Victor's out here. This shit is.
We don't know.
We talked 15 minutes about fucking Winkletooth Bookaboo. I don't know what the fuck.
Who is that? That's like the Prime Minister of the Botswana. Oh.
Yeah.
What else happened this week? Lil Wayne died.
Damn. Twitter killed him.
No, Wayne killed him. He came back, though.
Yeah, he came back.
He's died a couple of times.
Yeah.
So it's like, now when you hear Lil Wayne died, you're like,
All right, when is he
damn.
coming back?
Like, I better check on this in a couple hours.
Yeah.
See
Let me
if the
check live
stats change.
mixtapes.
Yeah.
Live from the gurney. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Live from Triage.
Yo.
You know who died but didn't come back? Oh, Prince.
Oh, damn. Prince died?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Mm-hmm. What?
Yeah. Lil Wayne, though, he's sipping on this lean.
Yeah, shout out to him.
I mean, if you...
That shit's gonna kill you, nigga. Like, bad people, yo, Pimp C died from this shit. Mad people died from this shit. If you drink this shit, and... Because, look, this is what happens, because I've done this shit. You drink this shit, and you get like, yo...
Yeah.
Every 3 6 Mafia song perfectly makes sense to you. Chopped and Screwed makes sense to you, because you're on the shit. You're like, yo,
everything slow down.
Yeah, you're like, yo. But then, if you go from yo to like, yo, I'm gonna sit on this couch, to yo, I'm gonna fall asleep, to nigga, I'm not breathing anymore. You know what I'm saying? That shit will kill you, fam.
Yo, that
chill.
shit...
And stop mixing drugs, man.
I don't know how...
Sip lean, don't sip lean, take 5 Xanny bars, smoke a blunt of dust, drink a bottle of Hennessy. You're gonna kill yourself.
Look at responsible Mero over
what I'm
here.
saying? I'm out here.
Young Day Party says mix all the drugs.
Yo,
bring some for me.
Yeah, body yourself.
No, like okay, the first time a drug causes you to go into a seizure.
Yeah, you probably
maybe
like,
you stop.
I'm
Maybe
good.
you good on it.
Yeah.
But Lil Wayne, they said he had two of them things in it.
Yeah,
and 2 seizures. They had to land his private jet. Shouts to him, private jet. You know what I'm saying? You're still
PJ,
out here
you got
living.
control.
You got control.
If you find commercial niggas like, yo, I don't know about you, Weezy. We about to land in an hour, man.
Yo,
We can't. We're not landing in Topeka.
Niggas gonna put a bag of peanuts on your tongue.
Tell you good.
Put the in-flight magazine over your face.
Give your man a fucking...
Go have a seizure on JetBlue. See if them niggas don't charge you for that. They're gonna run your credit card.
Shit costs more than the Wi-Fi.
Yo, this is a seizure charge.
Shout out to Wi-Fi on an airplane flight being fucking $30.
We have discussed this at least 5 times on this
God
shit.
damn. We gotta keep talking about this shit until they change it.
But you know, they're not gonna change it.
You know
That's
what I'm saying?
the price of
Fucking
flying
worms.
is not even about the ticket anymore now because they make the money off like the Wi-Fi and the baggage shit. Because you see now everybody's everyone thinks they're slick and trying to bring on carry-on luggage.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Always.
So when you get on, like the whole shit is full.
All my Dominicans know.
You know?
bring like 2 carry-ons with fucking 6 wardrobes.
You can't do that.
You know what I'm saying?
You're
Shit
fucking it up for
definitely
everybody.
Shit definitely does not fit in the little model. Yo, your shit got to fit in here? No way, nigga. My shit don't even fit on top of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm like,
nobody. I forgot what airline it is, but now you can pay extra to get on the flight earlier to have access to. Yeah. See, look at the jig.
Yeah, the jig
look at the jig, man.
But yo, man, listen, you gotta do it because yo, when you go to DR, you know, man, when you go to the Caribbean, you know what I'm saying. You got to go there with clothes for your cousins, because
right?
They're gonna take all your shit.
Yeah.
So you got to bring the shit that you're gonna wear and the shit that you're like, I'm good. This is all academics. Like I'm gonna just give this to Julio.
Give the pure players shirts.
Give him all the pure players shit.
Oh,
like yo, here's
shit.
some Maurice Malone jeans for you.
Yo, y'all like Ed Hardy?
Yo, niggas got all the jorts right now.
Wow.
DR. Shout out to y'all.
Shout out to DR. Shout out to the Caribbean.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to
niggas wearing Hollister
Chad.
t-shirts.
That one dude, our one listener in Chad.
Yo, this is dude in Chad. And fuck with this. See?
Yeah.
This is global, fam.
Listen, the art is here.
Yo, if you're from a weird country, holla at us. Be like, yo, holla, I'm listening from Bulgaria or wherever. You know what I'm saying?
That is a weird country.
It is a weird country.
I thought you were gonna say something like mad mainstream.
Mainstream, like Belgium?
Curacao?
Yeah. Curacao?
Is that a real
Is
place?
that mainstream? Is it? It was a Curacao.
Curacao.
Right?
You know, I'm not
got the funny C with the...
Yeah.
Come on, you're Euro. I've never been to Europe. You're Euro Desus.
Is that Europe?
Know the little fucking...
Oh my God, without Victor.
Yo.
No, it's not Europe. It's not Europe.
Sam's like, nah.
Sam was like, nah. Shout out to Sam with the crystal clear
You know
audio here.
Wild, high fidelity. Yo, listen to this. See,
Yo.
you heard that crystal clear.
What's the sound? What's the sound when you pull the butt cheeks apart? That shit will never not be funny.
Yeah.
What is not funny? Disney World.
Oh man,
a little 2-year-old was snatched up by a crocodile.
Damn. Yo, I tweeted some shit about that with the white alligator that has been fucking up my mentions ever since I tweeted it, bro. I'm like, yo,
why would you tweet a funny joke about this?
Because I didn't know the kid died. I thought it was like, I thought it was a Harambe part 2.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? I thought the kid got snatched and the dad went in there and grabbed him. Then I started reading more of the story because this is what I do, man. I go, man, you know me.
I know you.
Smack boy, Chef Curry, pulling up for 40.
Smack City.
You already know, man. Smack City.
Smack City.
I read the headline. I'm like, yo, whatever. Gator snatches kid. I was like, damn, that's fucked up. But it's Florida, so the kid probably on meth. He punched Gator in the face. His dad picked him up, put him in the tub. So I'm like, yo, this shit is cool. I make a joke about it. Then I'm reading the story. I'm like, damn, oh shit. The kid got really snatched and pulled into the thing, and the dad fought him off, right?
Right.
No.
Nope.
The dad tried to fight him off valiantly, and the kid died, fam. I was like, yo, damn. And I'm mad smacked on the bus like, dog. Damn. Then I had and I'm in the 15-minute zone, B.
Right.
So I'm like having nightmares. Yo, how can I save my kid from a wild animal? Yo, I gotta get a shotgun. All this wild shit. And I'm just like, dog, this shit isn't even funny anymore. But then in retrospect, I'm like, damn, this shit is funny because my kids live in the Bronx and there's no alligators in the Bronx. Unless they're in the project department. You know what I'm saying? So,
oh my God.
So my kids are good. No wild animals.
So the tweet is still there?
The tweet's still there, rocking.
Oh,
like
man.
Fucking 20,000 retweets right now.
Oh.
Fucking stupid.
Damn. I said not even 2 episodes ago. I said Florida is fucking wild. And there's a problem with gators.
Dog.
I told niggas like,
come on.
And that's fucked up. Though he fought the gator, and then the kid, and they ended up killing 4 gators to recover.
Trying to find them.
Yeah, and they crazy. Damn.
Another hot take for you right now.
Fuego take
is Harambe got killed. Kickstarters, memes, poetry, fucking Twitter campaigns. Alligators get killed. Nobody gives a fuck. They killed 4 alligators. They don't care.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You know why? Because they're not cute and they're not mammals and they can't do sign language.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Because, you see Harambe, he was walking on his feet.
Exactly. Yeah.
Alligators are doing that for shit.
Like, I'm sliding.
Nobody wants to see that. Also, alligators are kind of creepy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They snatch kids.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Also, people are tight about that.
Yeah.
You can't be snatching little white babies up.
No.
So,
once I knew this baby was white too, I was like, damn.
Yeah.
I was like, people are gonna be real mad about this.
Listen, I'm gonna expose something right here.
Your secret baby's white?
No. Shout out to my boo in Mississauga though. Right. No, when I was reading a story, I waited before I issued a hot take to find out the race of said child. Because depending on if it was a black kid or a white kid was which hot take I was gonna go.
Oh yeah.
And I feel like this is what most people do.
I respect that. Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Because it was like,
it's like, listen, it's exactly like this. If you're at Target, shout out to Target, and you got a cart full of shit and the lines are kind of long, so you stand on one line and your girl stands on the other line. Same thing. You just waiting to see what comes first. You know
which one's moving? Yeah, which one is faster? Which was the better line?
I'm gonna jump on this. All right. There you go.
Because you know what I'm saying? If it was black people, I'd be like, it's hard to raise a kid.
You know what I'm saying?
You can't watch them all the time. My heart goes out to the mother. She's trying her best.
You know what I'm saying?
Single
mom struggling.
She's just trying to have a good time. She worked hard to take a kid to Disney
Happiest
World.
place on earth.
Let's focus on the tragedy. She lost her child. Then I found out the kid was white. I was like, yo, why the fuck are y'all going in the water? The sign says no swimming.
Yo,
look, these bad parents.
Look at y'all niggas, man. White
y'all
culture.
Crazy. Y'all just let y'all kids run wild.
Y'all wild. Yo,
get a leak for y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, y'all ain't learn from Steve Irwin?
Alligators gotta die because y'all are bad parents. That's fucked up.
Come on. Y'all ain't learn from my son? Out here dying and shit?
Just judging y'all.
Crazy. They start posting mad pictures and memes. White people with the tiger. Nigga laid with the tiger and shit. The shit the nigga laid down with the tiger.
White people lock their door when you come around, but then they let their kids dangle their feet in a lagoon full of alligators.
That's fucked up.
And then I start doing the wild judgmental West Indian woman shit where I point with my lips and I'll be like, look at the white people upon there. Look at them. Look at them. Their children have no shoes on.
Barefoot.
Barefoot in the water.
Barefoot in the water.
Oh, but that's terrible because I thought about it. Because you know me.
Yeah.
You know my life motto. MOB, money over babies.
Okay.
Currency over toddlers.
Yep.
But then I was like, damn, that kid is the same age as my nephew.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow.
That's what got fucked me up. Because I didn't see the kid's picture or nothing like that. And I was like, all right, whatever. And then I was in that 15-minute zone and I pictured my kid because I got a 2-year-old.
Right.
I pictured my
you
son.
you have like a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 3-year-old.
Age, yeah.
Like, did you just not have cable for 3 years? The fuck.
Yo, my cable was overdue. My Netflix got canceled. Victor's back in the building.
Victor's in the building. He's saying crisscross applesauce. He missed it. There was there was a need for facts, but facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter, nigga.
So we've been flying.
Swat. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, like, you think about it like that. Like, exactly. If you think about your nephew, you're like, damn, this shit is fucked up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But then if it's just like some random kid, I said this shit last week. Like, yo, when I talk about kids, I'm talking about my kids.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
You ain't talking about them kids over there. Talk about these kids right here. Fuck those kids over there.
You know what I'm saying?
But not like Jared.
Not like Jared. I'm very judgmental. If I see kids, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
so when you see kids acting up, you be like, yo, where their parents at?
Never.
Damn.
My kids would never.
You know who I feel bad for?
I'll wash you. I look at my son and I'd be like, I'll wash you. And he'll be like, yo, you right, Pop.
You know what must have been tight? Like, there was probably like a couple there that don't have kids and was like, yo, we chilling in Disney. Chilling. Now their shit is fucked up. Yeah. Now they really hate kids.
Yep.
That's me.
Yep.
That's me, man.
Like,
y'all people with bad kids, man.
Because of y'all, man. They closed the whole fucking lagoon because of y'all, man.
That shit is whack. And then somebody told me yesterday, they was like, it's a lagoon. Of course there's gators in there. Who doesn't know that? I'm like, what the fuck? I don't know.
Disney World?
I don't know what a lagoon is. I mean,
Fam, like, I know what a lagoon is. You know
that's the thing. Also, Disney World, you expect Disney to be like, yo,
safe.
Because, I mean, not for nothing.
Just for kids.
Disney World controls the weather over Disney World. You guys don't know. This is a hot take. They seed the clouds to make it rain, and then they sell you ponchos. Did you ever see that? Look how quickly they have the ponchos on display in the gift shop, and they never run out.
You know what's crazy? Shout out to my frugal mother-in-law for coming through with the ponchos already on deck, and the motherfuckers at Disney giving you the wild, dirty look if you don't have the official Disney poncho. Like,
I could beat that. My father's so cheap. We went to Disney World. I think we went like, I was mad young, and we went and we bought ponchos. We went back 10 years later. My pops busted out those ponchos again.
Bring your ponchos.
I have no idea where he got those. I had no idea where he kept them at.
I kept them.
He pulled them out. They smelled like mothballs. But we had our fucking ponchos. They didn't like the shit wasn't even like the current exhibit. I think shit was like Captain EO.
New Epcot Center.
Yo, shout out to my cheap ass pops. He did that too. We used to go to the circus, and one time he bought us. You know, like they have the flashlight with like this little swingy shit. Yeah. And every time we'd go, he'd bring it out like his camera bag and put fresh batteries in it and be like, here, like you're not getting no new shit.
Nah. Don't get hype.
You don't get hype. That's why I buy mad shit now.
Yo, but that's what I'm saying. Yo, my pops was cheap. I mean, niggas have to be cheap because you know what I'm saying.
I mean, you have to be cheap, but then there's levels. There's levels of being cheap because also,
like, yo, you don't need to do this.
Yeah, like come on,
you're doing a lot.
Like come on, man, we don't got to eat the ends of the bread.
This is from '87.
Come on,
you know what I'm saying? It's 1999.
Why the TV still got knobs on it?
Yo, TV dead. Yo, shout out to everybody that got an 8,000-pound TV in their crib. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You fucking step it up. They got flat screens for like $40.
Nah, shout out to people who still got the big box TV and you can't even have a fight party because your friend's gonna like scream at you.
Yo, I don't even know. Is that Mayweather nigga or Fayweather? You're
not even watching the finals.
Come on, fam.
You can't tell Clay from Steph.
I don't even know.
It's just orange, just yellow blurs. Shit look like Atari.
Yo, man. LeBron look like he got a hairline, my nigga. What the fuck?
It's just a mess.
Need a new TV.
Oh, the game's tonight, right?
Yes.
Wait, so the game is tonight, but you guys will hear this Friday.
So this is what you're gonna do. Give me a little mystery music. Mero Damas. LeBron is gonna have an incredible game tonight. Kyrie Irving is gonna have a solid game, not a crazy repeat performance of the last time. Solid game. Steph is gonna brick a game winner.
Steph is bricking a game winner.
Yep.
You putting it out there?
Putting it out there.
Put it out there? I'm gonna go a level. Hot take.
Yeah.
If Steph bricks the game winner, we're putting a curse on his sneakers forever.
Forever.
Get Under Armour the fuck out of here. All right. Yo, shout out to the Wall Street Journal. They had me in there with the government name all wild, but you know what I'm saying? We out here. We got to do what we got to do. Because guess what? The government name also appears on checks, my nigga.
That's right.
All right? So they me have me with the hot take. I said that Steph Curry sneakers look like plain unflavored yogurt.
That's very
And
accurate.
that I would not even rock a pair if I was giving them for free.
Nah.
I was scorned on the internet by Caucasians. people who wear size 12, size 13s, and
wide. They ask for the width.
E's.
Niggas gonna be like, yo, what's the width?
The dads.
I need a wide width.
All right? Yeah. People said the sneaker looked good. It's a clean cut.
No, it's not a clean cut.
Stop.
Just stop. Just because it's all one color doesn't mean it's a clean sneaker, man. And I'm not even a sneaker guy. I'm an aesthetics guy.
He's an aesthetics guy.
You know what I'm saying? You need a clean sneaker. And somebody said that compare them to the Kobe, I think, 8 Elite or some shit like that.
The one they did under Adidas?
No. It was
for the Nike ones.
Yeah, but it was an all white Kobe,
right?
Like a low top Kobe. And I was like, no. You see, this is how you do an all white shoe, clean lines, and this is how you don't do an all white shoe, where the shit looks like Bumblebee from Transformers, albino version. You know what I'm saying?
It looks like GoBots. Okay, it looks like the wild knockoff. Like some kid drew it with rose art.
Straight up, nigga, with the Christ out markers. Come on,
get out of here.
Get out of here, dog.
And then
you put them shits on, they go.
Sneakers cause seizures if you look directly at them. The Japanese kids.
Come on,
get out of here,
yo.
And somebody who was it? People trying to tell us Under Armour's cool. Like, it's cool for gym shit.
Yeah,
you know. But you know,
we had a long conversation with somebody about this. Shout out to Dolly. We fucking talked about this. Desus said it. Y'all make dope workout clothes.
Yeah.
Like, but I'm not rocking my workout. I'm not rocking workout gear to fucking Snapper Shop.
You know who does that kind of shit? Chomos.
That's right.
And who prefers Under Armour?
Yep.
Chomos.
What?
Allegedly. Hot take. Okay.
Damn, blazing.
Eddie Long. Dwight Howard.
Yep.
I'm sure Jared has some in the closet.
Yo, shout out to Dwight Howard for just skating by. Like.
Yeah. Yo, Dwight Howard's been out here.
Fam.
He did some shit, and it got a little traction on Twitter, but everyone was like, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
So,
yo, they were just fans. Dog, let niggas find you or me in the hotel room with two 14-year-old white bitches. And
eating chicken fingers.
Eating chicken fingers.
It's over for us.
It's over for us.
All right?
Man. Are you crazy?
Decoy or not.
Fam, I couldn't even imagine. I'm sweating right now just thinking about that shit.
I'm not even worried about their age. I'm worried about the price of the chicken fingers getting delivered to the hotel room.
Shout out to room service.
I know what room service charges is like. All right, I will be at the front desk in cuffs. Like, nah, I did not order that. I did not.
No.
I did not authorize those charges. Take these cuffs off of me. I have to talk to a manager. Dwight, come get me. Dwight, help me out.
Help. Yo, shout out to room service. I had room service. What's the most outrageous room service shit you ever ordered?
Okay. Wow. Probably the Ritz-Carlton when we was out for the VMAs.
True.
I was so high. I came like 2 a.m. I just ordered like 4 things and just passed out. And then when the chick came with the food, I was so out of it. Like I thought I had called her over like to smash or something. So I opened the door and I looked at her and she was like, "Hey, room service." And she was like, "Can I come in?" And I was like, yeah. But then she looked at me and she was like, "Nah, I'm gonna just give you your food. Like, you looking a little wild, my G."
Yeah. Dog, I had like a $30 lemonade at the Hey Adams in DC.
Really?
And I wasn't even mad about it. I was like, yo.
Was it good?
Yeah. I was standing on the balcony looking at the White House like, yo, came a long way, fam.
Damn. That's inspirational.
Straight up with the robe. With no drawers on.
Just letting the wind blow.
You know what I'm saying?
Letting the wind blow upon your balls.
Just saluting Obama. Pause. Yo, you know, out here in the streets.
The brand is strong.
Yo,
we got some things going on. Listen.
Yo.
Y'all not even ready.
On Twitter that was like, yo, y'all gotta do a live show. And I was just like,
yeah. Listen, the live show is coming. And we're not doing some hood live show where we're gonna plug in our speakers into a traffic light in the park.
No wireless Beats pill, man.
Okay. Corporate sponsors on Deckington.
All that. You already know.
The brand is very strong.
Super flavorful, bro.
We're strong on both sides of the pond. Shout out to the Peanut Butter Boys. Shout out to White Genocide, Rap Percenter.
That's right.
Everyone over on the other side, GrimeBoyz them.
GrimeBoyz them. London Massive.
Okay.
Incredible. London Massive. Shout out to all my niggas in Brixton.
We out
here. I'm saying trousers.
Off the nuggetin'.
Yeah. I don't know why, but I know you've seen it because niggas is on the internet. The Snapchat like meme that went around, the video of the dude following his man around, and he had the wild baggy Levi's.
Yeah. And
he's like, Levi jeans, Levi, your trousers are funny, fam. I was like, yo, these niggas sound crazy. Yo, shout out to all the British niggas that be playing Call of Duty and shit.
Oh, man. You be playing
Xbox,
with them.
Yeah.
Nah, you can't play online with people that steal your identity.
Yeah, they will. That happened to me. Yo, shout out to fucking CUNY. I believe that's where I got my identity stolen, was fucking punching in, because niggas make you punch your social in for everything.
Yeah.
You go to buy a fucking Snapple in the machine, you got to put your fucking social in the machine. Niggas got me. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I'll be back.
Yeah. You'll have your money soon.
My credit score bounce back.
You have your money. You'll get to the point where your credit score won't call. Because like Warren Buffett, he has terrible credit.
Is he from Nebraska?
I don't know.
Damn.
You looked at Victor like, Victor, could you...
Victor said, he's like, nigga, my hair's growing back.
Victor, could you help? Oh, man. We got to do the weekend recap. How was your weekend? How's T-Ball? What's going on there?
T-Ball is lit. T-Ball's lit. T-Ball's crazy, yo, because it's like, it's one of those things that's like young kids, so it's like everybody's a winner type of thing. But then it's like the end of the game. So they play like 3 innings, and then at the end of the game, they do like a relay race. And whoever wins the relay race, it's like for the parents. Because you know how parents are like, yo, nah, my kid won, nigga.
Right.
My nigga had 3 RBIs. You know what I'm saying? He went 3 for 3. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. So for the parents, I feel like that's totally for the parents. Because the kids don't give a fuck. They just want to go out there, hit the ball, run around.
You see my face cringing
you know
as you're describing this.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Because there's parents that really care about that shit. Like, I don't care. I'm like, yo, as long as he's out there hitting the ball, running the bases, wilding, smiling and shit, having fun, that's all I care about.
I'm going to come see your kid's T-Ball part, what is it, T-Ball game?
Yeah.
In like a fur coat. And bet money on the game with the other fathers.
Everybody's like, yo, bro, it's a draw every time.
Like, nah, fuck that. I'm like, oh, fuck that. I got $100. This kid hits out the park right now. Just smoking a wild cigar, looking like Joe Namath. From the rooter to the tutor, put your money right here. I got 100,000 on the little Jew Dominican.
Yo, remember when Joe Namath got wild drunk? Was it the Super Bowl? He was trying to kiss Shorty? Yeah. Live on TV?
Listen, that's Young Day Party. I'm out here.
Wow. That's like the future of Desus. Yeah, hell yeah.
Shout out to any random chick that you took a picture with me and I've somehow kissed you on your cheek.
Yeah. Shout out to
That's my thing. That's my thing. Okay, I'm trying to make that my thing. Is that assault?
You like to
Probably.
keep them guessing.
Keep it guessing. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? If you turn your face at the right moment...
Might happen.
It might happen, ma. That Desus baby gonna happen.
It might make your life, ma.
Nah, don't do that. That's how germs spread. Don't do that.
Are you germaphobe?
Am I a germaphobe?
I'm definitely a germaphobe.
No, I'm not a germaphobe because
it's problematic. We're not phobe anything.
We've talked about this, about the spitting in the mouth thing. You know, I like that.
Right, yeah.
So,
yeah.
You think that's disgusting? All of y'all are judging me right now. I don't care. Shout out to all my nasty exes.
Okay. It really is the manner with which you do it, though. Like, if you're aggressive, like, if Shorty's aggressive, you know what I'm saying? She's just like, that's hot.
Right.
If it's just like a weird drool.
Like a slow, she's over you and it's just like the little string.
Yep. Like I took too many perks
slowly
and drank too much
into your mouth and it's like a long string of saliva.
No.
Yeah.
And it's like water torture. Nah, I'm good.
Listen, different strokes for different folks.
You know what I'm saying?
All right?
Yeah, definitely.
Some people like to put cactus in their butt.
That's real. That's really a thing.
That's a thing.
Dog, I've seen the worst shit. Shout out to the internet, bro, for just putting niggas onto the worst shit. Like, ever. Like, would you have ever seen 2 Girls, 1 Cup if it wasn't for the internet? Like, no. You know what I'm saying? No. Like, you wouldn't just be chilling with your man and dude pops up with a VHS tape like, yo, check this out.
That's not socially acceptable.
Nah.
You can't have that on the VHS test.
No.
I'd report you.
Straight up.
I would report you. Straight up. Yeah, and 2 Girls, 1 Cup is pretty tame by today's standards. You know what I'm saying?
I can't even imagine.
Live Leak, even though I don't want to name a certain building, 1515, block Live Leak.
They did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
You can't watch a video.
That's right. I was
anymore.
like, damn, this nigga used to be Young Live Leak. Now he's just out there like looking for.
Now I have to express dark Desus using words. We're gonna die soon. The sun's gonna burn out.
We saw some wild shit on the website, dog.
Yeah.
When the shorty was involved with the double murder, and they found her in the village, and they just beat her up and lit her on fire. I was like, this is crazy.
Look at your face cringing. You're deeply disturbed by this.
Homie that just threw himself under the wild truck tire. Yeah, that was crazy because like he did the wild spaz after, and that was kind of funny. But it's also, if you think about it, it's super morbid.
Yeah.
Also, I'm not mad at a lot of these videos because they're in like mad terrible SD quality. Right. So it's not really seeing. Yeah, it's like I'm watching a Nintendo game.
You gotta.
So.
You know what's funny?
Really register.
There's somebody in like fucking Papua New Guinea, another Papua New Guinea shout out, who's watching Live Leak, and they probably watched the Troy Ave shooting video and was like, wow,
that's
what
crazy.
The fuck?
What is this?
And we're watching some shit in their country of somebody getting like fucking killed by a
giant fucking anaconda.
Like a shipment of radishes. Yeah. We're like, yo, it's synergy. It's the internet. The internet brings us together.
Beautiful.
And as it brings us together, it makes us one. And as we are one, we become one beautiful family.
True.
That will one day be wiped out by a cataclysmic event such as Donald Trump launching nuclear missiles, which causes other countries to launch nuclear missiles, causing radioactive fallout that blocks out the sun, and we can't grow crops. And none of us know how to grow crops. Do you know how to grow crops? No, you can't grow crops to provide for your family at your house. So guess what? Now we have anarchy. There's not enough food. We all turn on each other, and we all die. That's how it ends.
Isn't that the road?
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. This is what I think about late at night.
That's crazy.
And early in the morning. And 24/7.
You just reminded me, my dad knows how to grow stuff.
Right. But where is he? He's in like DR.
He's here now.
Yeah.
So I could be like, yo, Dad, can you teach me how to grow stuff?
But think about it, like if that happens, dude, you're not gonna have any kind of meat and shit. The kid's gonna be they're gonna be raised on like beans and fucking cabbage.
Damn.
They're gonna be mad. They're gonna be mad like weak.
A fate worse than death.
That shit is whack. Only like rich people are gonna have access to meat.
Damn.
So maybe like if your wife really loves you, she'll get you like a sliver of meat for your birthday.
You were gonna say a steak, but it's not even a steak anymore.
Not even a steak.
Like a piece of a steak.
It's a piece of some sort of meat. That's your life now.
Half a hot dog.
Nobody knows how to run like nuclear power plants and shit, so we don't have energy.
Damn, that's terrible.
Like the computer programmers are gone, so all the computer systems were wiped out in the EMP from the nuclear blast.
Niggas gotta get rich right now, bro.
Right fucking now. I'm not even kidding. Every day I go home and I'm like, how can I get money? And then I play Call of Duty and I smoke. And then I wake up the next morning and I was like, damn, I should have done something yesterday. But
then the Call of Duty triggers you back into, because every Call of Duty game, we already talked about it, is like future disaster apocalypse.
Well, here's the other thing. I was playing Call of Duty because I felt bad about the Orlando shooting, but then I was playing Call of Duty and I was like, well, this is basically the same thing, I guess.
Yeah, but
like,
digitally.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So I feel bad, but it's like, that's the culture, man.
Gonna call back to the fucking shit we talked about, the no Russian mission.
Yes.
Which is basically.
That's what he did.
You know what I'm saying? Just walked up in a place and was just like, you know what I'm saying? So, not blaming it on video games, just saying.
Are we becoming desensitized? I don't think I'm desensitized because of video games. Probably I'm desensitized from probably growing up where I lived.
Right.
The Bronx.
Also,
BX all day. Shout out to BX. Also, somebody shot my neighbor in the head. Yeah. Bronx 12 didn't have too much information on it. I'm not saying you should snitch.
Yeah.
Please just let us know if it was like a personal thing or if this is like a thing I need to watch out for.
Yo, honestly, I'm going to keep shit super 1000. I seen some shit that went down in my mother-in-law's neighborhood, which is a nice neighborhood in New Jersey. Shout out to Fair Lawn. Some dude, triple homicide.
I saw that. I saw that. Yeah. And as soon as I saw it, when I saw it and they said Fairlawn, I thought of you because I keep hearing you reference that place.
So I'm like, yo. So then I'm reading the thing. First paragraph. The fucking commissioner goes up and does his speech, and he's like, "This was a family matter.
Yes,
this was a family,
you gotta say that right off the
matter.
Rip.
Like, don't get nervous,
you gotta
niggas.
say that off the rip.
Listen, I know y'all pay mad property tax. Don't get nervous, because yo, that's real. Like, if you tell me, yo, this dude killed his cousin, I'm okay with that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all did
that's on y'all.
Yeah, that's on y'all.
Listen, I'm just trying to get to work.
As long as you're not wild boy out here just killing niggas in the street.
Shooting niggas
for fun, I'm okay.
That's the other thing. This weekend was mad people got shot in the Bronx, but because of the Orlando shooting, they didn't cover
talk
it.
about shit.
Yo, people was getting, like, a mother got shot and killed trying to protect her kids from getting shot.
In the park,
because your man came through with the ski mask and started busting all crazy. I'm like, I'm hearing that, and I'm like, yo, BX, listen, I want to rap.
What's shorty's name? Fucking, I think it's Jessica White, and she went to high school with me. And when I seen this shit, I was like, yo. I was like, holy shit. I was like, I know shorty. And it was, and then they interviewed her mom, and her mom was like, yo, her kid, she basically was like, she told her mom, yo, take the kids inside, or whatever. And then that's when motherfuckers started clapping and she got hit. But it was, again, like, yo, dudes who fucking or have beef with each other and shoot at each other in the worst possible location.
That's the thing, because you gotta catch people. You gotta catch people. You catch people.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You can't be like
in the park.
Niggas don't do like. Remember, this was obviously we weren't alive for this, but like the Wild West, where it's like meet me at fucking whatever. We're gonna duel.
Meet me at East Tremont and 149th
on the back block
at 3 p.m. You can't do that.
Niggas
so
do
it's like it's a crime opportunity.
Oh, the niggas at the chicken spot.
Listen, a nigga, if you got beef with somebody, and it's on site beef. On site means on site. When I see you, I'm gonna see you.
You at the laundromat?
Oh, you with your mother at Home Depot?
Blow.
She could catch it too.
So
I've seen it many times.
Yeah.
You get caught 2 p.m. on a very crowded street.
Stay out of trouble?
Listen,
if you're gonna get involved in wild shit, make sure that you are prepared for the outcome of wild shit.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? That's it. And then your family, if you live, don't do shit wild shit if you live with your grandma, nigga, and then you go home at night.
Because guess what?
To
all your family's
house.
Involved in that shit.
Yeah, now it's grandma's.
All that crime life, that shit is fun until it's not fun.
Tony Yayo said, nigga, shot my mama crib up. You really disrespected niggas. When I catch you niggas, I'm put detective niggas. Virginia, tech you niggas.
But I ain't Chinese.
Yo.
I got 2 twin Glocks. They Siamese. Oh, man. No, but people don't understand. Like, it's cool to sell drugs, right? It's fun. You got money for the club and shit. People don't talk about when you drive and you wild nervous because you don't know what's on. Like, you don't know who's after you and all that shit.
I don't know if I told the story. I came out the fucking building like an asshole, young boy in the game. Instead of, like, it's a different charge. If you got a fucking X amount of grams of yay on you, it's a different charge than if you have this shit bagged up into fucking 20s.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a whole different charge. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, like, me, like a dick, I go to re-up, I fucking put all this shit, I bag up, I walk out of the building, and there's D's walking into the building as I'm walking out. And in my head, I'm like, yo, somebody snitched on me. Right. Paranoia. Somebody said, I'm mad small time. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to say what I was doing out there, but it's very small time. I'm like, yo, somebody snitched on me, I'm getting bagged. Dudes were going in there to go get some dude who was beating up his girlfriend for like a week straight. And then this old lady finally got tired of it and called the cops and was like, yo, this dude is up there beating
But in your head,
in my head, I'm like, yo, these niggas are coming to get me. I'm nervous. I got the word army.
GTA
yeah, I'm like, yo,
scream, like
fam, I was
a rap.
You
We all been there.
Shout out to Most. I see my man Most outside, jumped in the whip when he was out.
We all been there, man. We all have those stories. I have way too many of those, too many close calls like that. That's why I'm chilling and just doing a podcast now.
Yes.
You see how Nori has rebranded himself? He's the podcast guy now.
He's
Charlamagne is the radio guy. Listen, we're the Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? We are uplifting Bronx characters.
Straight up.
You know, we be talking at your Academy of Leadership. Tell people, you know, I try to motivate people.
Stay out of trouble.
Stay out of trouble. I'll tell you avoid the bookings.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, if you catch me when I'm drunk, I'll tell you to quit your job.
Niggas, we do it motivational speeches, but kind of like half-ass motivational speeches.
Half-ass, like, yo.
The youth, I respect the youth nowadays because before we used to sell crack cocaine and shoot guns, and now the youth have seen the outcome of this and they have moved on to scamming. Credit cards, where it is a victimless crime. You are the only one. And everybody's like, bro, this is junior high school. Why are you telling me?
I'm giving like the fucking graduation thing. I'm like, listen, you are the future. You have the unlimited possibilities before you. But if it doesn't work, do not be afraid to grab the black mask and the 4-5 and put it to someone's dome because they're going to give up the goods. They're going to give up the goods. Put them down on the floor. A home invasion for the occasion. They're turning my mic off.
I'm like, yo,
I'm like, no. I'm giving the graduation. I'm giving the speech at College of Mount St. Vincent. I'm like, don't be afraid to run up in your professor's house.
Yeah, shut the. Yo, you doing fucking shit? They cut your mic off and just start playing like Justin Bieber over the PA and shit.
Sorry. We're having technical difficulties. Please stay tuned with the commencements in the vest.
School safety comes up like, yo, my
man.
Yo, come on.
Yo, I fuck with the art, but you making it hot right now.
Don't make me grab you, man. Like, I don't want to grab you. I don't want to disrespect you like that.
Yo, young Chipotle, yo. I respect you. Yo, Mero, you got kids, but I'm saying I gotta drag you out here, my nigga.
Fam, listen, I like y'all.
Yo, my manager looking at us right now. Like, we've been talking too long. Like, come on, man. You making this difficult.
Come on. I need this job.
Yo, but not for nothing. Like, last week's episode was fire.
That shit was fire.
That shit was fire. Nah.
But
come on. Stop fucking around, Mero.
Yo, that's an L you got, Mero? Damn.
Come on, you got this shit all open.
Out? Damn.
It's graduation, my nigga.
Come on, fam.
There's kids here. Why you gotta fight with me and cheesecake? You know I like to go there. That's an actual Drake line.
Yo, shut the Drake.
Why you gotta fight with me at cheesecake? Drake at Cheesecake Factory.
Shut the cheesecake. Yo, niggas, don't.
Okay, all right. Rich Hill, shout out to Rich Hill. Me and my sisters, we be at Cheesecake Factory.
Shut the cheesecake.
You know what's funny? Any woman I like.
Fam, don't let niggas kill your little pleasures, B. Don't let niggas slander your little pleasures.
Cheesecake Factory, because why I keep calling shit manuals? This is the second week in a row. Their menu is like a fucking textbook.
Oh yeah,
like nobody signed here for all that reading and shit.
Going there high in that 15-minute high is one of the most daunting experiences.
Yeah,
you open that menu, nigga. It's like the tablets of Moses. There's mad shit on there.
It's like switching from like a PlayStation to Xbox.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's like that level of difficulty.
Yeah, like what the fuck?
I gotta learn these new buttons.
Oh man, how does there's no more trigger?
Yeah,
what? Shit is crazy, but shut the cheesecake.
Nah, I went to City Island this weekend because I'm a real Bronx nigga.
Hey,
want a little dessert. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Secret Shorty. Shit was lit. You know what I'm saying? Got the lobster tail and crab legs and shit.
With the butter and the
butter shit. Went to the place that don't got no table buzzers.
True.
And they don't take your phone number.
No.
They're just like, yo, come back in 45 minutes.
Shout out to Seafood City for losing my sister's car, by the way. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I told this story. I don't know if I just told you this shit, like walking down the block or whatever, but niggas went to Seafood City because my pops was in town. So niggas all got together and took my pops to Seafood City. Niggas come out of there, and my sister's like, yo, gives the ticket to the valet. He goes to the thing, grabs the keys, come back like 3 minutes later. I'm having trouble locating your car. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and check again. But right now, I'm having a little difficulties locating your vehicle, ma'am. I'm sorry about this inconvenience. I'm sorry about this disconvenience. You know what I'm saying? So hold on 1 second. Nigga, fam, we there for 45 minutes. This nigga comes back and is like, yo. Then finally we was just like, yo, like, just give me the keys, my nigga, and we're going to go find the car. And the car was like literally 2 blocks away. If you're a valet, don't get nervous. You know what I'm saying? Let the older Mexican dude handle the shit if you can't park a car more than a block away without losing the shit.
Listen, gotta hear both sides.
Also, disconvenience is not a word.
You gotta hear both sides because it's not the same thing. But one time when I used to work in the clubs, the coat check guy didn't show up. And so I was like, yo, I'm gonna do coat check. Man. And I fucked up just one set of the tickets. Nah. And I fucked up everybody's coat.
Dog, that's why they have a separate person for that.
Yo. It was a mess. I just gave up at one point. I was like, yo, you gotta come in here and find your shit. Like, I was giving niggas, I was like, here's your umbrella. They was like, yo, I gave you a coat. I was like, fuck. I was like, somebody was like, I think you just gave my umbrella to somebody. I was like, nah, come on, professional.
What do you mean?
Yo, I was in there sweating bullets. People was like, yo, what the fuck? I gave you like 2 jackets. I was like, nah, like this is just for a JanSport. Like, that's the other thing about that Orlando shooting, because I used to work on nightclubs and do security shit like that. And I'm thinking like, yo, I ain't really fuck with the club like that. Like, I wasn't really gonna die for that shit. Like, I would have snuck out an exit and be like, yo, y'all niggas on your own.
Yo, happy laying all over again.
Oh.
Yo, but fucking security at a club, like, I don't think that they're not, I mean, you can speak to this, but like, I feel like they're not really, I mean, you're never prepared for a dude to come in a crib anywhere with an AR-15 and shoot the shit up. But it's
I'm wondering what they're because we used to pat people down, and then like we used to have like cops would come into the club like off duty, and they'd be like, we'd have to bring their burner, and we'd usually take their clip and put it in the safe, and let them keep the gun, or tell them put their gun inside the car, and then they wouldn't want to like, put their service weapon in the car, but we're like, you're not coming in here with a weapon. But I mean, if somebody really wants to get a weapon in somewhere, they could. And now think about it, you got loud music, it's dark. You know what I'm saying? If you're drinking and shit, you don't know. When you go in the club, you don't look where the exits are. Most people do not do that. I do that. That's why I don't like going to clubs now, because when I go there, I look for like fire capacity and shit like that. I'm like the wild actually guy. But that shit is like, someone started busting in the club. That shit is like the Ballad of Gay Tony, the GTA 5 add-on.
True.
Y'all need to check that shit out. That shit was lit.
Pretty lit.
But yeah.
That's true. Yo, but the crazy shit is like, it doesn't take much for motherfuckers to stampede. But the shit that you're saying about it being dark and whatever, yo, shorty whose Snapchat, who she was there, she caught the shit on Snapchat. Yeah, like she's there just staying lip sync and vibing to the music, and then you just hear like pop, 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 like 10 shots, and she's still there like, yeah,
because like, you think it's part of like the sound
effects or whatever.
Because we have a gunshot sound effect on Classic or Trash on MTV2 Fridays at 11 o'clock with Charlamagne the God. Check it out. Best part of the show.
That's right.
Okay.
Act 3, niggas, stay tuned.
Act 3.
You know what I mean?
You might be after some heavy shit.
About to go shoot that shit right now.
Today. Actually, they're going to talk about the Orlando shooting. And they're going to have the audience mad fucking depressed.
Yo, shout out to anybody that's ever been there, because I know a lot of the audience members have been.
Shout out to Bodega Hive.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all could talk about this. They take your phone. They do not allow you to eat or drink. For like several hours, and they sit you on a little ottoman chair.
A chair, you don't get a back. Yeah.
So you can't even lean back and be like, yo, let me rest my fucking quadriceps or whatever.
So you're like, you're tight, you're hurt. Yeah. So you like, and then you just like, you got to do mad takes and smiles and shit. And that's you're like, you're tired, and you're like, yeah, shit's whack. And then you hear like, you smell you smell alcohol. And then you hear loud noises, and you see me and Mero. And then you get excited. You know what I'm saying? But usually what happens is they talk about what's going on for the week. And this week, and sometimes like some heavy shit happens over the course of the week. And like for this week, it's the Orlando shooting and probably the crocodile baby getting dragged. So like it's gonna drag him. It's like a fucking crocodile with fucking butterfly fucking eyelashes and shit. Yas, bitch. The other crocodiles are like, yas, drag him, bitch. Drag him to filth. He's so late. Okay, I'm being informed the problematic light is now on.
It's fucking blinging. It's on fire.
It's oh wow.
Oh, shit,
it's actually hurting my retina at how bright it's shining. Yes, but so now the room. Okay, so our common sense, they're gonna do it. It's gonna be mad serious. They might bring in like a mother whose kid was killed by gun violence. She's gonna start crying. The audience gonna be like,
they'll bring in a lady that got 2 kids. One that was killed by gun violence and one that was killed by a bear or some shit. And then talk about both things.
And she's gonna cry. She's gonna be like, we need to stop this. Like the audience gonna be fucking disgusted, like crying. Your makeup's gonna be running. They'll be like,
back all tight.
Up next Desus and Mero.
Desus and Mero.
And we come on, we're like, hey, what's up? Who wants to laugh? Hey. Y'all niggas is like, we're like, classic.
I did a Beyonce joke last week that fucking died. My nigga, like, died. Like, I've never had a joke bomb so bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was just like, ah.
But you know, the thing is, we go out there, and because the brand is strong, we go out there so cocky, we do not care. Yeah. We do not care. We know our shit is good. So if y'all niggas don't laugh, we don't care. The check is still coming, baby. You know what I'm saying? We don't give a fuck. People are like, what does it feel like to bomb? Nigga, the bomb. What does it feel like? What does it feel like to sneak around because you owe your landlord mad rent? Okay? Fuck bombing. That's on y'all niggas. These jokes over your head.
Predator missile incoming.
Oh, incoming. Drone reloading.
Like LeBron said, y'all niggas gotta go back to your miserable
Y'all gotta go back to your miserable lives. Tell them, LeBron. And people was like, that was the cockiest LeBron's ever been.
I respect the shit out of that.
LeBron just said a fact.
A fact.
All right? Because in the morning, even if LeBron loses tonight,
it don't matter.
Tomorrow morning, LeBron James is still LeBron James.
LeBron James.
LeBron James. LeBron James.
He's still LeBron James. He's still got $1 billion.
He still got a Kia contract.
He's still got a fucking.
He still got a fucking Beats by Dre contract.
You know what I'm saying? He's out here.
You know what I'm saying?
Out here. Somebody gotta hit us up. Yo, Stop and Shop. Who do we shout out a lot? Target. Y'all gotta hit us up. You know what I'm saying?
Target and Mount Vernon needs to hit us up. We're gonna do We're gonna do a pop-up live show at the Target in Mount Vernon. We're gonna do it Saturday morning early before all the Spanish people wake up because they show up at around 1 p.m. 1 p.m. That's a hot take. Yep. If you want to get some shopping done at the Target or across, especially cross county, before my Latinos wake up. I don't know what they do. You know what do y'all do that you don't do? You're not. You're not doing until 1 p.m. because y'all come out heavy at 1 p.m.
Sleeping probably.
Yeah.
Because you know niggas come out with Puerto Rican shorty come out with the Tweety Bird pajama pants. Yeah. You already know your senior's in there with the leggings and the chocolate thighs. It's crazy though because shout out to Heather. She actually wakes me up to go to Target.
Yeah, because she's white.
She's shout out to white people.
Yeah,
wakes me up to go there because like the shit goes crazy like mid afternoon.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying. So yeah, shout out to Target.
Because white people they tend to do things earlier in the daytime when the sun is up,
and then you have the whole day ahead of you
because they were on the mountains. And when you're on the Caucasus Mountains, you have to rise when the sun is. And the first Target, yes,
it's a short day. You gotta have dinner by 4.
Make the most of it. Make the most of it, my people.
Gotta have your dinner, pot roast, and your glass of milk by 3 p.m.
Go to Cracker Barrel, get yourself some fried dumplings. Afterwards, rock on those racist rocket chairs and wait for Donald Trump to take over.
Yeah, but you know what's crazy? There's some white people shit that I feel like even white people are like, what? Because I told my wife about like, milk with dinner. Like, drinking milk with dinner. Did you ever drink milk with dinner? She's like, no, that's disgusting. She's like, why would I drink like milk with like fucking a steak or some shit? You know what I'm saying? And I thought about it, I was like, that's kind of gross.
I think we used to do that. I don't know, but my family is weird. Yeah. Like, we never had dessert.
Okay. Yeah, no, me neither. Yeah, no.
Yeah, like never. Like the first time I had dessert, I actually went to a white friend's house for a sleepover, and like I only heard about dessert from TV shows, and I was like, holy shit. Also, that was the first time. That was the first time I ever heard about blue cheese because my mother was like, there was only one type of salad dressing.
Oh man,
she said Italian dressing is the only type of salad dressing in the world.
Literally, fam. Once my parents discovered other dressing other than Italian, it was a wrap. Like my pops just started buying random shit. Like, nigga, you don't even know what raspberry vinaigrette tastes like.
Nah.
Hey, you're just buying it.
My mother was like, nah. Like, she wouldn't buy pre-made dresses. She was like, we're going to get the little packet, get the fucking vinegar and the oil and shake that shit ourselves. That's all we had.
That's my grandma.
And I went to this other house, and they was like, what kind of dressing do you want? And I was like,
oil, vinegar, and salt.
And they was like, try blue cheese. And it was just like,
yeah.
Gateway drug.
All my aunts used to do that shit. Straight oil, vinegar, fucking salt.
Because the shit used to come with like a bottle and that you make yourself. So, hopefully my kids don't have to go through that. Okay.
My kids gonna have all the salad dressings.
Little Fatima, she's gonna have access to all, like a whole, listen, she's gonna have access to all the dressings. She's gonna have all the cereals.
You already got names.
I got names.
Okay.
Yeah.
I respect it.
Not happening.
Brand building.
Early.
You know what I'm saying?
We picked the name, but no. It's all summers of 16 out here running.
He's like, don't get hyped.
Don't get hyped.
Some of y'all ears perked up. Right? Your dog filter ears perked up.
Your womb might be vibrated, but not happening. This is Summer of the Savage. Trying to get out here.
I just fucking smashed my face into the mic.
Listen. How bizarre.
How bizarre. How bizarre. That was 1996, y'all.
Was that really? Can you believe that's 70 years ago?
Yep. Really? It's crazy because that shit, I was in junior high. That shit feels like it was a couple years ago.
No, you're old.
But not that long ago.
You're
but then
old.
niggas was like, that shit was 20 years ago.
You're old. Listen, Blade Runner.
Damn.
When they check the ages and you gotta run from the age police. Oh, shit's not gonna be fun.
Didn't Justin Timberlake do like a white, terrible version of that movie?
Was it like
he had time like on his wrist.
Yeah,
and
they had like some fake deep tagline, like what if you had all the time, or what if time some shit.
What if you had all the time in the world? Some stupid shit.
Shit
What
like
do you mean?
that.
They gotta play mad Xbox, smoke weed.
I can't wait till we do some whack shit like that. And there's another podcast and they're talking shit about our whack shit, our listing, and
laughing. Because niggas don't know.
The name of the movie was In Time.
Oh, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. But like, I can't wait to do that like weird neo apocalypse type movie.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh.
We just
niggas just appear on screen dressed like Russell Westbrook, like just the mad like single shot of each of us, like yo.
Wait till I just wear all black all the time.
Mad aluminum foil.
The same outfit all the time. I have like frosted tips.
Oh, so
I talk at the fucking Apple keynote address because I sold out.
Oh man, mad weird glasses.
I have the Google glass. I'm tagging with Elon Musk. We're trying to come up with a new way to transport humans and revolutionize the commodities of life.
Yo, Elon Musk, I want to smoke weed with that dude, bro.
I don't even think he smokes weed.
He doesn't. I'm smoking weed and he could just talk.
I think you could probably catch a contact just by standing by him.
Like, yo, what nigga, your brain is vibrating.
He's just like, yo.
And it's making me stoned.
He's like, how do you think... You're like, what are you thinking about right now? He's like, how can we get water to people on Jupiter? You're like, whoa.
People ain't even on Jupiter? He's like,
they are.
Whoa.
They've been there. I put them there.
Okay.
You're like, oh, all right. He's like, you want to go? And the next thing you know, you're on Jupiter.
You know what I respect him even more for? Being the first dude to come out with the first electric car that's not completely swaggerless.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because them shits is fire.
The Tesla.
Yeah.
They got that button, 0 to 60, right away, off the rip.
Yep.
Rappers need to embrace electric cars.
Yeah.
If I saw French Montana and a Tesla, you know what that would do for the economy? If you saw Chris Brown trying to be a respectable...
front flip out of a Tesla?
Tesla? While March Madness is playing?
What?
Woo! What? Get me on that wait list.
What?
Oh.
Yo. And them shits ain't even that expensive. They're like 100,000, right?
I think it's the wait list problem. Okay. Also you need like the charger.
And Chris Christie tried to slay niggas too. I think.
Yeah. Fuck Chris Christie.
Fuck Chris Christie, fat bastard.
Fucking Doja. Fucking Trump sent him to the store for some shit. The report came out.
Yo, go to the store, nigga.
You fucking.
And send him to
get you. Nigga sent you to get a banana Nutriment and told you keep the change.
Keep the change, nigga. Get you a little Debbie or some shit, nigga.
Oh, the tagline for the movie was "Life is paid out a minute at a time."
Whoa. That's the worst.
That's that fake deep.
Yeah.
You know why that's fake deep? Because we know Jaden Smith, and even Jaden Smith is like, that's lame.
That's lame, dude.
That's lame,
dude. That's totally lame.
That's totally lame. Also, life isn't paid out a minute at a time. Like, bro, check it out. Right?
Life is an infinite circle of ludicrousness.
Okay, like, you know why pencils have erasers?
Bro. Because you can't erase who you love. Yo, please go find that vine. The little eraser catch at the end, my nigga, just fucking took me out. Like, I'm just like, yo,
this is terrible content on there. But there's good content. Also, shout out to Twitter. Twitter just invested $70 million in SoundCloud.
Oh, man.
But that doesn't matter if you don't own the masters to your podcast, which we make sure we protect them in the Bodega Vault.
That's right.
Because in 20 years, y'all going to want to sample this.
That's right. It's in the USB drive, you know what I'm saying, under my third dog bed.
One of the biggest tragedies in life is that there are no raw edits of Desus vs. Mero.
Oh, yo.
But, had to go.
That's crazy. That's like fucking... Damn, dog, what is that even like? That's like the first nigga that wrote the Bible or some shit, and then somebody found it and like
wrote up a Dutch with it.
Like, yo,
what is this shit?
Get the shit out of here, nigga.
In the beginning? What is this, Harold?
What?
You're wasting my parchment on Bibles?
Are you kidding me? This is taking up so much space on the shelf.
What is this, 66 books?
I'm moving this. I'm putting my hats here.
Noah built his wife an ark. You're over here. You're writing sonnets.
Shut the Shakespeare. Shakespeare probably got mad shit that he didn't even put out.
But you know what, Shakespeare gets a lot of love now.
Yeah, he's like the
But
Beatles.
I bet you Shakespeare was mad whack when he was alive. Like nobody was fucking with Shakespeare. Like think about it. Oh, I wrote something. Like, get the fuck out. When you think about it,
nigga, what the fuck does this shit even mean?
Go.
To the air. What the fuck, nigga?
Yo, go
to the store.
Think about how Twitter would have dragged Shakespeare when he came out with fucking Othello, that interracial shit. Get the fuck out of here. Whose man's is this?
Damn.
What is this?
Damn. Shout out to Shakespeare, dog.
Shakespeare.
Fucking Wernberger.
Right, and man. Everyone is like, yo, Shakespeare, every TV show and movie that comes out right now, the plot can be traced back to something Shakespeare has written. Probably. I mean, there's only but so many shit. Yeah. There's only but so many plots.
Yeah.
I mean, technically every song that's ever been made can be traced back to a Jay-Z song.
That is absolutely 100% fact.
I put
like
that
the
out
Shakespeare
there. That's
shit,
a hot take.
the Shakespeare shit, you could argue against it, but that shit, Jay-Z, absolutely.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Also, we met YG this week.
Yo, shout out to YG.
We met YG. He's a cool dude.
He's mad cool.
He's mad bull.
He's bull.
He's bulling.
True.
He's bulling.
He's bull. Niggas mad bull. Yo, we shot a thing with him. It's gonna be on Common Sense. You should watch it.
We were asking some questions and shit.
Some wild
Here's
questions.
a cool dude. We have never met. We've very rarely met anyone who's been a dickhead.
Yeah.
I think it's because we don't come off as like mad dick ridery.
Yeah.
Like also because we don't really care.
Yeah.
Like we're so on our own dicks. Like we don't.
Yeah.
When we meet celebrities now, it's not really a celebrity. It's like, yo, what's up, brother?
Yo, do you know about me?
You know who we are?
Yeah.
Oh,
like
okay.
Jim Jones said, he's like, yo, I'm not famous, but all the famous people know me.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Holla.
You know what I'm saying?
About to go on the mixtape, bro.
Is there anyone that if they walked in this room right now, you'd lose your shit? If they walked in and was like Mero and hugged you, that you start shaking, like how people used to shake when they met Michael Jackson. Person still has to be alive. Don't tell me Tito Puente or some bullshit like that.
Yo, actually, you know what's crazy, dog? Thank you for mentioning this. My pops used to love Tito Puente and used to play this shit in the crib all the time. And like when he died, it was mad sad, blah, blah, blah. But then I seen a video on YouTube, look this up, of him in the Bronx in the 70s doing like a free concert. And this was when the Bronx was like a flaming hole of death. You know what I'm saying? And he was like in the middle of that shit doing a free concert with Charlie Palmieri and some other dudes. And it was very dope, and you should check it out because it's very like vintage Bronx shit, and it was like narrated by some dude. Look it up. But yeah, probably. I was gonna say Patrick Ewing, but I wouldn't be like, oh, but I'd just be like, yo,
yeah,
like you acknowledge me, dog. I grew up watching you, like you were so ill. You know what I'm saying? Like you were like a superhero to me when I was growing up. Besides him. I feel like it's all New York sports guys probably. Yeah. Like Derek Jeter, like dudes that I grew up watching and being like, damn, you're the fucking man. You know what I'm saying? Like as a kid. And now you see them and they're like, yo, you're funny. And I'm just like, dog. Nori was like, yo, y'all niggas is mad funny. And I was like, fam,
yeah,
you know
that was impressive.
I was like, yo. I was like, nigga, I used to smoke dust and do graffiti to your first album.
Listen.
What?
The War Report is classic.
Yo, I was like, yo, this shit is so ill. All his shit, like, yo, Nori, like the N-O-R-E album, fire. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, and this dude really came up to us and was like, yo, y'all are mad funny. Right. I was like, wow, that's dope.
Who would I lose my shit if they walked in this room right now?
I'm very interested to know this.
Oh, who?
Not Kanye?
Who, me?
Nah, but you met Kanye.
I met Kanye. That was I. Y'all didn't lose my shit. Yeah. Who, if they walked in this door, I would lose my shit? Myself.
Oh!
If I walked in, I'd be like, yo.
Who the fuck?
I'd be like, yo, go shit, it's Desus. Because the biggest tragedy is the fact that we will never be able to listen to a fresh episode of Bodega Boys.
What?
Think about that.
That's crazy.
Think about that. We can never enjoy this the way you guys enjoy this.
That's real.
That's real. It's a tragedy.
I mean, it's kind of not.
Actually, no, it's not true because we get about smack. We don't remember what the fuck we said. Like, I get home, I'm like, yo, did you hear this shit? This shit's hilarious. I literally came into the office yesterday with Mero. I was like, yo, have you listened to this podcast? This shit is hilarious. Because I edit it and then I send over the notes. Sam does his thing. He sends over the polished version. I upload it. My life is too busy to listen to shit. But now my phone, like, because it brings the shit up on random. So I'll listen to episodes that I never, like, I listened to it like briefly, but I haven't really gotten to the new one. This shit is fun. Listen, I'm on my own dick. I'm on some make shit. I ride around blasting my own shit. You know what I mean? My own dick. This shit is hilarious.
Yo, it's very funny. The ISIS ACL shit was
that
you
shit.
played that shit in the office. I was like, yo,
nigga, I was crying.
I was like, who's that?
That shit. I'm like, yo,
that niggas is funny.
As Victor always says it, he said one of the things he loves is to watch me listening to Bodega Boys because I crack up and like I start having tears in my eyes because this shit is hilarious.
Yeah,
we do it for y'all niggas, for the Bodega Hive.
And this shit is still free, dog.
It's still free. No ads.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? You don't ever stop and say, hey,
come on.
Have you been the subject of transdermal mesh lawsuits? Please call Jacoby and Myers to take part of a class action lawsuit.
Listen, if you rock with the Bodega Boys, then you should know. Celino and Barnes is lit.
Celino and Barnes. Hi, you, Bodega Hive member. Are you tired of sitting on your couch not doing anything?
Come on, you're just sitting there. You heard the ads.
You could do it.
You can do it too.
I did it. You could do it too.
That's
Come
right.
to UTI. You can learn all types of things. Gunsmith, TV VCR repair, phlebotomy.
Get your GED.
The day we start doing ads like that, like, y'all not gonna fuck with this shit anymore.
At all.
Because you can't go from like free to like, because that's that shit, Wall Street Journal, which, you know, again, I was in. You know, you know what I'm saying? You can't watch, you have to pay to read online.
Right.
Excuse me? The internet's free.
Come on.
The internet doesn't want to be free.
It doesn't.
And, you know, bills and shit.
You know
but the internet, listen, the same way.
It's Wild West right now.
That guy, that congressman who had the controversial thing, the problem that he said something about, they said what happens about like if women get raped and there's a baby, should there be an abortion?
Oh, that's
right. And he
yeah.
said something about love finds a way or some shit like that.
Wow.
I forgot his name. I might be misquoting him. A little snack. It was like mad this was a couple years ago. I might be just made that whole shit up.
No,
anyway, it sounds like sounds, right?
Yeah, it sounds very official.
The internet will find a way to make shit free.
You said it with confidence.
I said it with confidence.
That's all that matters.
I probably regret saying it. I might edit that out. But, you know, it's whatever. Yeah. We're flying out here. We're Icarus. We're near the sun.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? We do take precautions. You know
we take precautions. We don't put you at risk. We never put the listener at risk.
That's right.
We bleep out names. We edit that shit out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Bleeped out name last week. Bleeped it again.
Bleep it out this week. Okay.
Yeah.
And shout out to people who know what we're talking about and they get the in jokes and they don't blow it up on Twitter.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? You say low, you expect it as a secret society. All we ask is trust.
That's what. Listen, all we want y'all to do with us is stay low and build.
Stay low and build. And one day we'll shock the gram. Maybe no time soon. But we just stay low, man. Listen, love me with your mind and not your heart.
You know what I'm saying?
That's all I ask.
Come on, dog. I used to fucking shock niggas for grams. Now all I do is shock the gram. Oh!
GrimeBoyz, them, GrimeBoyz, them.
GrimeBoyz, them.
Digestive biscuits. Crown Circle.
Yeah.
The Queen will hurt you.
Yeah.
Pounds and pence.
Holla at us, man. We're out here in the streets. We're out here. We're down to do this grime album. Also,
we go out to London.
We'll do any
We're gonna set up in my cousin's apartment in Peckham.
Yep.
And we're gonna just like put it in the bathroom.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Put the pantyhose over the mic.
Yeah, she's gonna be lit. She got the weird shower where it's like one thing controls like the mad hot water and the other controls the mad scalding cold water, and they come together in like a one pipe, but it's like not the same mixture. And
what? You know what I always wanted to learn about Europe? What are the outlets like out there? Because
they're weird.
They're weird, right?
They look like the female condom.
Okay.
They don't seem normal.
I have no idea what that looks like.
It looks like a windsock.
I've only seen a female condom in a package at like a community college.
No, when I used to work in the nightclubs, we used to have like male condoms and the female condoms.
Who uses a female condom? Yo, if y'all a Bodega Hive member or just a casual listener and you have used the female condom, call us up. We want to hear your story. You know what I'm saying?
You know what's funny? I used to make fun of it, and I used to be like, "No one uses it," blah blah blah. Yeah. And then, but the thing is, like, I'm being flip. I'm being, Desus. Tinkle with my eye. You know what I'm saying? Good eyebrows. I'm making little jokes. So we're problematic, but it's cute. You know, you're problematic, babe.
You're just highlighting the problem,
right? But people do use the female condom.
Is it so? Then is it? Because listen,
it's like inserted.
Yeah, like listen. You know, niggas know my status. I've been raw dogging for years. I'm anti-condom. Yo, like,
oh my god, it's true though.
Does a female condom do for a woman what a male condom does for a dude in terms of like sensation? Because like now I'm the dude. Now I don't got shit on. You got the condom on. So now does it still feel like I have a condom on? Because I never smashed with a female condom.
We're gonna get you a female condom and give it to your wife.
I'm gonna try that.
We can do that. Get a GoPro.
I'm gonna get one. It's gonna be like, yo, expired in 1998.
Yeah, I'll come through. I'll film it for y'all for Red Bull.
Wow.
We'll do it mad slow mo in HD, 1080 DP.
Oh my god,
the wild dramatic score.
I don't want any part of my butt cheeks in HD.
The slow motion sunrise as you standing there naked, like I've always wanted to know. So fucking Heather comes off and does a fucking 360 on a BMX bike while chugging Red Bull off a fucking turnbike.
With the helmet, with the GoPro.
Your little kids are on the flutog and shit. Listen, we can make this happen. Cut that check. Cut that check.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That's absolutely repulsive.
No, it could work. It could work. We shoot on an IMAX.
Oh god.
Oh.
Yo, thank you for saying IMAX. Yo, hot take, 3D movies are bullshit.
Okay.
And you should never pay to see a movie in 3D because they're fucking whack.
No, I disagree.
And they're not 3D
Go
at
see
all.
Life of Pi.
Life of Pi in 3D?
Life of Pi in 3D. When the fucking tiger jumps off the boat.
I've seen all these Marvel movies in 3D and they are fucking whack. And
you know what's a whack movie?
On a DVD and it's the same shit.
You know what's a whack movie in 3D and not in 3D? Prometheus.
Prometheus?
Do you remember that movie?
That's the shit with Idris?
Yeah.
And he's like, after it's like apocalypse.
He has like 4 accents.
Shit.
Yeah, it was terrible.
Come on. If you got more than 3 accents, come on, my nigga.
He was like, he had like a Jamaican, Alaskan, Australian accent.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know what's going on.
Who is this?
Whose man's is this?
What are you, fucking Shaba Eskimo, nigga? Come on.
He was like, yo, who seen me kangaroo? I was like, what?
Mate.
Who seen, my kangaroo was in my igloo.
Brethren.
I was like, what? Where are you from? What hemisphere are you doing?
Well, so because I never seen Prometheus like sober.
Right.
So,
I
like,
think that might. The only reason I bring that movie up, I think that might be the worst movie I've ever seen.
What made it so terrible?
There was so many plot holes in it, and like people were touching shit they shouldn't have touched. Like if you go to a new planet and you're coming in contact with an alien species you've never seen, are you gonna like remove your protective gear and start touching it with your real hands?
No.
They're doing dumb shit like that. There's a part where like a spaceship is falling directly down, and if the lady goes from left or right, she'll get out the way, but she runs in a straight line and gets crushed. Shit makes no sense.
That's dumb.
There's like it's just a mess.
That's dumb. What's the worst movie you've seen recently?
Recently? No, I don't be going to the movies. I don't trust movies.
Me neither. I have the last movie I seen in theaters was
movies. If you think about it, the movies are just asking for trouble because if I don't go to the movies deep with my niggas like that. So if I'm going to the movies, it's probably be with like a chick. So that's now it's me and a chick. Now, just say like anything 6 niggas from Burnside want to come through the movies and act up. Now it's me and her against these 6. Like now I'm at a disadvantage. I don't know if they're gonna be like, yo, oh shit, that's my man Young Chipotle. Yo, we fuck with him. Or they could be like, yo, fuck Young Chipotle.
Yo, fuck that nigga, B.
Fuck that nigga. You ain't funny.
You ain't funny,
fuck
nigga.
Them niggas.
Niggas is fucking corny, nigga.
Niggas throw a Slurpee across the fucking movie theater and hits me in my face, or worse, hits my date in the face. And now I got 2 options. I could give her the Tide stain stick, like, yo, just chill until they leave. I'll get your shit dry clean. Don't make a scene. Or I'll be like, yo, who hit my bitch?
Yo,
like neither way is not working out well for me. You know what I'm saying?
But the whack shit is it's like you have to. It's like a rock and a hard place. It's like 2016. Everybody got a phone. There's gonna be a Vine.
There's gonna be a Vine.
Slurpee hitting your face.
You know.
So you gotta do something. I'm like, yo, listen. I feel like it's even more like because yo, if you're just with a girl or something, you could kind of like. Depending on the situation, dog, I'm married. I have to see this lady every day. And if a nigga throws a Slurpee at us in a movie theater and the shit hits us and we're just like, I can't really just be like, oh, haha, it's okay. I kind of got to like defend my honor and hers. You know what I'm saying? Which sounds lame because can you tell I've been watching Game of Thrones?
No, I know. I feel you about defending your girl's honor and shit. Shout out to we're going to bleep her name.
Sure.
I remember we were in Times Square when Times Square was bad. And she was a very pretty young lady. I have to bleep her name again. And she had very big titties. So we were walking through crowded Times Square, and like these 4 guys, like 2 of them grabbed her titties as we're walking. Violation. And it's like I popped out the box cutter, like spun around, but there's so many people around, and like they out deep, and you know, and like she was like, "It's all right." But after that, it was just like, you know, I ain't look out for her. You know what I'm saying? I always felt that with her, like, damn. I let my girl down, man.
Yeah, I should have fucking
like she don't feel safe around. And she was like, she said it didn't like it wasn't my fault, but at the same time, you're like, damn, like you gotta step up. You gotta protect your boo, man.
And it's crazy because back then, all this technology was not as fucking pervasive.
Right.
So even if you got knocked the fuck out, it was like, yo,
at least you tried.
I came out there, I took my swings. One dude went home with his face splashed. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you, whoever you are. So it's like. You know what I'm saying? But now it's like, damn, niggas, yo, listen, shout out to McConan. You know what I'm saying? For being like, yo, that he was out here freestyling on Westwood. And they took the not the good part of his freestyle.
Just the bad part where he's fucking around. That's what niggas do.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas take the worst part of your shit and be like, yo, look, this motherfucker's whack. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry, shorty, I didn't protect you. But we also broke up because she wanted me to buy her Averex. We had only been together. We only been together for like 2 months. I was like, yo, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm glad those niggas grabbed you.
I was like, yo, actually, I drive you places. Now you want an Averex? I was fucked up. I actually broke up with her the night before her birthday.
Ooh, savage.
Yeah.
Savage.
I was young though. God's working on all of us.
Okay.
And she took it in stride. She was like, I can't believe you're doing this. And I think she started crying, but she hung up. So, you know, listen, God is working on all of us. I would never do that now.
Nah, no way.
I'm a good person.
Yeah, we're good people.
Nothing but good things over here. Positive vibes only.
That's right.
As Kanye say. Kanye concert coming in September.
Oh, shit.
Madison Square Garden, September 5th. You know I'm hype. You know I'm hype. I can't wait.
I heard you talk about the shit. Yo, this nigga got the fucking wild.
Oh, I can't wait.
VVIP.
Listen,
like,
I hit Kanye up.
I
hit Kanye up like, yo, I sat on your wife. Like, look out for me, nigga. I'm gonna be on the wild hype beef. I'm gonna have my Life of Pablo shirt. I'm gonna rip my jeans. I'm not even gonna wear shoes. You know, because I can't have. If I don't have Yeezy boots, I'm coming barefoot.
That's true.
Okay.
Saint West, the first contact he ever had with another person was you, dog. Because you sat on Kim Kardashian's pregnant belly.
Think about that.
You know what I'm saying? He might have just been.
What if he comes out mad funny?
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
He might have been just positioned in a way where like you made contact and like some weird shit happened.
I don't want to say
origin story.
I don't want to say anything, but that might be my kid. Saint West might be my kid. So
would you make it better very
But I don't want to pay child support. I saw it on Twitter. Apparently, child support Apparently, you can't Venmo your baby's mother $5 every week and count it as child support.
Listen, there's two sides to every story.
Right.
I hope to never be paying child support ever in my
hope
life.
you never. Do you understand what happens to the brand if you have to pay child support?
Fam.
Like every week we'd be here. We'd be like, yo, episode 28. Da-da-da. And I'd be like, yo, so today in the news, you'd be like, today in the news, I had to pay motherfucking child support.
Nigga.
A third of my check went off the rip. You know what I'm saying? Even going for?
Right now, as soon as I get out of here, I'm going to be arrested by the police because I had to do a theft of service with the MTA to get here.
Because my money is currently in a transaction. Why do the kids need this much money for?
I don't know. How many pair of Kyrie Irving? He's still coming out with shoes? Yo, it's crazy because, like, yo, there really is two sides to that story, though.
Right.
Like, there's some people who... The niggas game the system, dog.
Right.
And, like, men and women are just people. There's a lot of scumbag dudes. There's a lot of scumbag women. And, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, niggas use their kids. Yo, listen, if you got kids, don't use your kids as a weapon against your spouse, man. That's mad foul, B. You know what I'm saying? You're fucking up your kid's life. And then they're going to grow up and have a podcast where they complain about you and growing up. You know what I'm saying?
I feel like that was a sub. In fact, I don't feel like I was a sub. I want to invent a new app here called Google Sub.
Google Sub.
Where motherfuckers subbing you right in your face. Yes, I have my issues that I work out through the podcast. This is my therapy. But you know what? Yeah. Yeah. You know what? How about this? Don't have children with people you shouldn't have children with.
Exactly.
But you know what? You just say that, but you know what?
It's hard to tell, but it's hard to tell.
It's hard to tell, but also, you know, when you're nubbing it up good, you don't know.
Everything's good when it's good.
Everything's good. When you running up in it raw, you're not thinking, damn, this girl gonna put me on papers and we're gonna hate each other and we're gonna fight at Cheesecake Factory. No. You're just like,
shit
yo.
Is mad love.
Shit is love. It's 4 a.m. It's 4 a.m. on a Saturday, you know what I'm saying?
Fucking the shit out of each other.
You know what I'm saying?
Wake up
got the wild hard on from grinding on her all night to one dance and controller and work.
Yeah.
You know?
Gang.
And she call you on Monday like, yo,
what are we?
No, like, yo, like, you pulled out, right? And you're like, what? Oh shit, I was on the run punch. And she's like, well, and she's like, this is my last chance.
Have you ever been so fucked up that you forgot to pull out?
Are you the type of money over babies, baby.
Are you the type of dude that pulls out even with a condom on?
Even with a condom on.
Okay, I respect it.
Even with a condom on. Money over babies. Currency over toddlers.
Because, yo, I'm going to keep it real. There's nothing scarier than when you are fucking with a condom and you're like, yo, I got a condom on, I'm good. And you smashing and you nut and then you pull out and it's like, yo, where's my hat?
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, just left the club without my hat and it's raining.
You got to go back to the coat check.
I can't get wet out here.
Excuse me, I left my jacket in there. Yeah, nothing's worse than when you have to fish hook it out. Ugh. Because then that's awkward.
But then you share in a moment.
You share in a moment with the girl.
Could tell.
That's your bonding moment.
Yeah.
Because you're like, yo, excuse me, ma, I have to put my hands in your deep vag.
That's right. And you learn a lot in that moment. You learn a lot.
How she reacts.
Yep. You know
is it her first time this has happened before?
Yeah.
You know?
Don't be embarrassed.
Listen, we're grown. We just had sex.
We're grown-ups.
We're grown-up. We do grown-up things.
We're mad sex positive over
You know what I'm saying?
On Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying?
We're very sex positive.
Sex positive all day.
We talk about it a lot.
Yeah.
Probably too much. Probably too much and too much detail. Way too graphic. So now when people meet us on the street, they're like, yo, I've imagined you having sex. Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, I imagine you with a flaccid penis.
Shout out to everyone that told their parents to listen to this. Their parents are like, yo, you're
I just want to hear.
Let's talk about using the fish hook out the vagina.
Listen, when you recommend this shit to your friends, make sure that they're those type of friends.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't introduce this to your quiet workmate. Your quiet Christian workmate in the carpool.
Because I don't want to be the cause of some wild shit. You know what I'm saying?
This is you get written up for HR for suggesting this shit to the wrong people.
Come on. You know what I mean? And then you play the shit and the niggas fuck around and pull your headphone out of the thing when you listen to the shit in the office.
Right when we say some problematic shit.
And it's right when
AKA the whole time.
Yep.
Oh, man.
Those butt cheeks of fucking problematicness.
That's important. Sniff into it.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man. Oh, it's real.
Damn. I just remember that the fucking niggas did an episode of Guy Code where I said that when you open up the butt cheeks, it smells like French toast in the morning.
Yeah. None of what we said on Guy Code made it.
I was like,
nobody was like, yo, you gotta edit this shit for TV. So they were like, yo, what do you do if you really like a girl? And Mero was like, yo, you get her pregnant. Okay, that's probably not for the demo.
Shout out to everybody getting pregnant this summer.
And one of the questions they asked me, they was like, yo, is it hard to date like a hot chick? And I was like, well, yeah, you know, the thing about dating like I went into a whole thing about dating hot chicks, and apparently they were trying to like build up young guys' confidence about dating hot chicks, not like They didn't want like actual people who have dated hot chicks to speak on it. And I was like, and you get used to it. You know, like guys are liking your girl's Instagram photos and stuff. But you know, she's coming home to you, so it's no big deal.
It's no big deal.
It's no big deal.
And the kid's like,
what do you?
Girls don't even talk to me.
What's the titty feel like? Does a nipple feel like a pepperoni?
Shout out to all my niggas out there. Yo, listen. Let's have a moment of silence out there for the motherfuckers that never had a titty in their mouth.
Wow. Damn. Shout out to Reddit.
Shout out to Reddit.
Oh. Nah, there's terrible people out there and they don't deserve to have titties in their mouth.
There's a lot of people. Yo, that's a pleasure that's really reserved for people who are like
you have to earn it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
And not even sometimes you don't have to earn it. Sometimes you just have to find a woman that's like whatever.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, here's a nipple. Put a nipple in your mouth. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, take the shit. Here.
You know what I'm saying? But if you find a person that you love and you trust,
it's a beautiful thing.
You know? I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking for some nasty
just from titty.
Young day party shit.
That's it.
So you know what I'm saying? When you see me, put a little limerita on your titty.
Yo, broke millennial Twitter topic du jour yesterday was, would you have a joint account with your spouse?
No.
And I was like, as an adult who pays bills and does shit, I was like, you have to.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like
with a spouse, with my spouse, yes.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But and then niggas were like, yo, some dude was like, yo, that's not for me. I can't see myself having an account where my spouse can control. I was like, dog, it's a joint.
Well, see, that's the thing. Some people are so afraid of losing their own personal identity in a relationship that they're constantly going to put up these barricades and these walls to preserve their uniqueness. Yep. So what happens is they do not go into a relationship. They'll go into a relationship open-minded and realizing that instead of having their thing and the other person's thing, they're coming together in a union to create a whole new thing. Yeah. And they come in this mentality that they have to protect and squirrel away money, and they don't want this. They don't want to lose that.
Yeah, that's mad weird.
That's weird. Listen, you can't have that.
When you start,
like if you're trying to be in a relationship, you got to be open for all that shit. Yeah. If not, don't get in a relationship. Yeah. It's that simple.
Yeah, keep it on and be like, yo, I'm just trying to smash. I'm scared to share money with you because I don't trust you really. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to say it like that. There's ways to say it.
Explain it. Really that's the whole thing. It's all about communication. Yeah. If you don't, that's what the corny thing. People like relationships about communication. It really is. It really is. Though. It really is. And what happens is people fall back on like things that have happened in previous relationships and previous traumas and shit, and then like they don't communicate. And they expect you to read their mind, and you expect them to read your mind, and it just falls apart.
Cannot do that.
So don't do that. We're the relationship boys.
That's right. Relationship boys.
The relationship boys. Relationship boys.
Giving you advice on relationship boys.
Buy your bitch a sex toy.
Yo, I was looking at Doc because actually called me right now. But yo, fucking, yeah, it's true, man. Yo, all my married people out there or people who are in a long-term relationship and you feel like, yo, I don't really have time to communicate that much. Right. That's not true. Right. When you're driving somewhere.
Talk to them.
You know what I'm saying? You got home and you're just sitting around the living room. Dog, talk. You don't have to talk about important, because yo, the thing is too, like, I just got home from work. I don't really want to get into like heavy shit. Right. So let's just talk about regular shit, and then if it turns into some principles of heavy shit, then we can talk about that. Right. You know what I'm saying? So like, really, it's just talk. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? If you talk, you'll be good. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of niggas ain't willing to do that. So.
And if you're not in a relationship, when you get home, you roll a blunt, you go through your phone, and you hit up a chick with WYD. You want to come through tonight?
WYD, moon emoji.
Moon emoji. You got to get up early for work tomorrow, ma. Blinky eyes, blinky eyes, blinky eyes. You know what that means. When that hotline blinks. I can't come over. I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to see the doctor. No. You come over tonight.
Come get the dick.
Come through tonight. I don't got to be at work till 10. Come through. We can share an Uber into the city. It's all right. No, but we're gonna trick the Uber, so we're gonna do Uber pool. So make sure you go stand a couple blocks away. Make sure it's assuming Uber though. Cancel if it's not.
Cancel if it's not. Yo, Uber changed the game of dick appointments, man.
It did, because now you can't be like, I don't got a car. And I can't get a cab. Like, yo, you got a car, or you can send people. And then the thing is, like, sometimes you'll be like, yo, I'll send you home in an Uber, and that's offensive. Right. I was told this recently. How is that offensive?
That's more offensive than being like, bye?
Well, somebody said that if I told a girl I'll send you home in an Uber, she would expect that that's something I do regularly, so it would cheapen the experience for her. I'm like, oh, so why don't you go take the subway and wait by the fucking garbage train then? Yeah. If you want to listen, don't let your pride get in the way of just common sense. Yeah. All right, you can go home in a fucking SUV. Don't you want that with water and an aux cord?
Come on.
All right,
you got a whole playlist for after this.
What if I just kicked you out of my house and was like, all right, good luck getting back to Brooklyn with this weekend construction, ma?
You know what I'm saying?
And now you stand at 241st on the 2 train waiting for the train to go back downtown.
Fam, and we're not in particularly
safe
super
neighborhoods,
accessible,
right?
safe neighborhoods either. So it's like, yo,
I'm looking out for you, Mom.
I'm looking out for you. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to every girl I ever sent home in a cab, because I was sending
them home in the OJs.
Yeah, before Uber.
Ugh.
You know what I'm saying? Respecting the choach.
Respect the choach. You gotta take care of the choach.
You gotta take care of it.
All right. If a nigga got you on the train at 3 a.m., he does not respect the choach. He's putting you at risk.
He's putting you at risk hard.
That's ridiculous. And you know what the thing is? There's some good women out there traveling.
Yep.
Traveling far distances for subpar dick.
Subpar dick.
Ma, you're worth better than that.
Subpar dick.
You're worth better than that, Ma.
You're worth more.
You're worth more.
My whole thing with a dick appointment was like, yo, if you're coming to my crib, because there used to be a shorty that used to come through for the D appointment, and she would come through, and this is when I was like, had like a stupid part-time job. She would come through, smash, because she drove. So she would drive to the crib, smash, I would like shower, whatever, get ready for work, and then she would drop me off at work. And I was like, yo, I'm so appreciative of this, and I'm gonna eat the ass from the back.
Like from the back, like from savage.
Back. You know
like
what I'm saying?
Oprah and Gail?
Like Oprah and Gail.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Allegedly.
It's a little callback for the OGs.
For the OGs.
You know what I'm saying?
That was the Estelle episode.
Yeah, so you know what I'm saying? You want to perform at your highest level. You know what I'm saying? When shorty's looking out like that.
There you go.
Respect the choach.
Respect the choach.
You know what I'm saying?
Respect the choach. That's all we ask. Put that on a shirt. Respect the choach. Yo, respect the choach. I think that might be the title of it.
Yo,
respect the choach. Hey, episode 27.
That's right.
It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat Lacterio, aka Six Apps for Sling Dick, aka Butcher's Gully, aka Slope It Down, I Know Your Bitch, aka Eli Lippy, Young Green Room, Young Day Party. Jesus A Fuego.
Stop.
Ese 1994 en Nueva York.
Yo, that's right. We out here.
AKA your problematic bae.
Whoa. It's your boy that came around, aka Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Aka East Street, my Stevie B. You know what I'm saying? Ben Smack Biyombo. Feel the ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? Coming to my Cosmos. And like I said, check the guest list again, because we definitely on that shit.
Always. Shout out to the sponsor, Red Bull, 220 West 18th Street. Shout out to K2. Shout out to the Zika vaccine. Shout out to Narcan, the opioid remedy, Heather's Choach. Yo, Booze, ISIS, your fourth flagging. Y'all niggas ain't out here like that. You ain't putting the work. You know what I'm saying? Y'all joining the fucking, joining the fantasy football league all late.
It's already 3 weeks in, nigga. What the fuck you doing?
Niggas waiting for you to choose somebody.
Asking for trades.
Tired of this. So shout out to Rap Center, White Genocide, Cucko Fest, GrimeBoyz them. Till next time, mate. GrimeBoyz out there. Catch me in the Oil Squad, Queen Circle. Digestive Biscuits, Sipping Right Below. Alvin Brixton. We out.